G'day bird nerds, it's first seen and heard for Saturday the 10th of December here in Wurundjeri country, the northwestern suburbs of Melbourne in Australia. I'm Grant, I'm the host and producer of the Bird Emergency. First heard this morning, Little Raven. First seen this morning, Australian Magpie. Celebration of Corvids everywhere. The double Dr. Holly show, Holly Kirk, Holly Parsons, will be on Monday, midday, Australian Eastern Daylight Time. Please join us. It's in the YouTube stream, you know, down there kind of thing. You'll find it. Please join us, ask a question, make a comment, tell us about the birds that hang out in your urban garden or your streets and lanes. See ya.